Hi, my name is Przemek Chojecki and this episode is about finding a data science job. And the very first step, meaning preparing yourself for having a good CV, having a good bio in order to supply that to your potential employer and what to do with that. So, cutting it straight to the business, the most important thing you have to do is first of all have an actual profile on LinkedIn because that's the most used social network right now and it's really professional. And on the other hand, you have to have at least a couple of projects on GitHub where you can show your expertise. And if you're applying for a data science job, that means that probably you can do one project with something like regression, trying to predict prices of some kind of a product, maybe something about the classification, and something about the use of neural networks. And also it would be great if there are like beautiful graphs, beautiful visualizations of what were you doing, what kind of data you were working with, because that's also appealing to the potential employer, especially if that's a commercial firm that's working in, like more down-to-earth business. Because if you're applying for a job like DeepMind, OpenAI, Google, Facebook, then that doesn't matter that much, and then it's all about your expertise in algorithms and your ability to think clearly, quickly, and being efficient with coding. But that's the other thing. If you're applying for like a job at the bank or job at the insurer, then what's important is being at this verge between business and data science, being able to interpret data using statistics and then visualizing all that. So that also comes to the difference between being a data analyst, data scientist, and machine learning engineer, with each one of those being a little bit different from the other. Data analysis is mostly concerned with business and interpreting data. Data scientist is more about building algorithms, and machine learning engineer is mostly about using machine learning to problem related to data. And it's probably the most theoretical and less business oriented than the rest. So it all depends on you what you want to do, and you should choose at the beginning what you're looking for, because mostly all of those kind of jobs are called data scientists anyway, because there's like no clear path on how to discern them when you're looking for for a job. So you just should put as a job data scientist and you find all three of them, but then you have to read prerequisites and probably what will be required for you during the job. Then you understand what kind of job are they talking about, and then you can decide whether it's something interesting for you or not. So the most important thing is, as I said, LinkedIn and GitHub. And on LinkedIn, you should have your previous experience, different certificates that you might be able to get from Coursera or otherwise. And then on GitHub, your open source projects you did for someone, you did for yourself, you did commercially or purely for fun. It's really important to show your skills, and then you're free to apply. Good luck with that. If you liked what I talked to you today, then have a look at my book, Data Science Job, How to Become a Data Scientist. It's available right now on Amazon, both as paperback and as ebook. Easy to download, easy to buy. I put the link down below. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next episode.